Now that we've explored all of the common trigger actions, let's go over a few quick tools and tips that will make your work a lot smoother. First, always give your objects and animations clear, descriptive names. This simple habit saves time and reduces errors, especially when you have multiple triggers on the same slide. Instead of trying to guess which rectangle 7 or button 4 you're working with, you'll instantly know what each item does. Second, group related triggers together. Keeping the group checkbox selected in the Triggers panel makes it easier to see which actions belong to which object, and in what order Storyline will execute them. Third, test your triggers often. After creating a few, use the Preview, this slide option to confirm that everything behaves as expected before moving on. Catching issues early is much easier than troubleshooting a dozen slides later. A little extra organization and testing up front will save you a lot of rework later and help you build cleaner, more reliable interactions. On a personal note, even though I've been using Articulate Storyline for over a decade, there are some triggers that I've not used very often and needed some assistance in explaining what they are and their purpose. I'd like to thank Diane Elkins, Desiree Pinder, and William Everhart, and their book Articulate Storyline 360 for helping me understand these items and explaining them to you.